Here you go. Using my telescope. As you see, this is a bird watcher, little thing here. But I'm just showing you guys what I see every day. Okay, let's see. Get this on there right. Oops. Sorry guys, this is kind of hard to do, but here you go. Sorry guys. This is so hard to do. So let me see. I have to get it in the right spot so that we get this moon. Here we go. Okay, let me just do something real quick. Sorry guys, give me a second. Maybe I should zoom out to 2.6 and let me see, because I probably gotta adjust this again. No, I don't. Okay, there we go. Boom. Let's look for that moon, eh? There it is. All right. It's kind of hard to do this, but just want you guys to see how transparent the moon is. Okay. Since people can't use their own two eyes, use their own own God-given brain to do this stuff. Even though I'm, trying my best to get this on. Right. But all in all, this is how I do it. This is how I know the moon is transparent. Okay, so let's see here. Sorry guys, like I said, it's hard to do this. Okay, so let me see real quick. Let me do something. Okay, let me just do something real quick. Okay. Now let's try. Sorry, but this is going to be many attempts to do this because once again, I'm using this bird watcher scope and I want to make sure everything is lined up. Okay. Trying to find the moon. Okay, so it should be. Oops, going off course. Trying to do this so I could. I'm trying to. Have this. Okay, point it directly at the moon, so when I put my phone up, I can just go and have it pointed at the moon. Okay. So we have right here this cloud mass, and then we gotta move up a little bit. And there it is. Okay. See how transparent that looks? You gotta excuse me, I can't stay focused on it like that. But there you go. Close up. Let's go down to 1.7 because it's kind of blurry. And I see a chemtrail plane flying right above the moon. Ain't that miraculous? What a coinky-dink. Because they know chemtrails block the moon, right? They know it's transparent. You can't see when it's obscured. Okay. So, once again, there you go. Moon. Okay? Moon.